The first $1 million is the toughest to make, according to an old saying. However, we advise a minor change. Saving the first $50,000 is the most difficult. If you can do that by your 30s, the rest of the $1 million will most likely take care of itself by the time you're ready to retire. Saving for financial stability and financial objectives are two of the most important reasons to do so. Many people don't know how to save their first money. Don't worry, we're here to guide you, but for that, you have to watch till the end to know the best strategies. In this video, we're going to talk about how to save your first $50,000. But before starting this video, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. With that out of the way, let's get started.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
The right mindset. It is often the case that saving your first $50,000 is not a short-term objective, but rather a long-term goal that takes commitment and discipline on the part of the individual. There are a variety of reasons why you might want to put aside $50,000 in your bank account. In order to go there, you must first train your thinking. Keeping your specific goal in mind might be beneficial, but you must also understand how to reach your goal through the use of a plan. So make planned budgets. If you're the type of person who rarely budgets or keeps track of costs, now would be a good time to get into the habit of doing so. Making a budget will enable you to maintain a positive attitude. Construct a financial plan that is geared toward accomplishing your objective. Keep in mind that even the smallest details can add up. Extra money can be saved by cutting back on your daily Starbucks habit or by using public transportation to work instead of driving a few days a week. Orienting your thoughts and finances in general can assist you in identifying opportunities to generate a variety of extra income that may be put to good use. If you recognize that they are tiny sacrifices on the road to your objective, the going will be much easier for you to handle. Keep costs low. The things you spend your money on constitute a significant portion of your budget. You can always do things to keep your costs down and your expenses under control. Increasing the number of home dinners. Whenever possible, walk short distances rather than utilizing the car. Rather than taking your children to the local mall, consider taking them to a park or zoo. It is preferable to buy your groceries in bulk rather than make individual purchases throughout the month. Giving up smoking or other expensive habits is a big step. Purchasing a less expensive home is also an option. For some people, downsizing to a smaller home or switching to a more fuel-efficient vehicle can make a significant impact. If you are renting a large space, consider downsizing to save money. If you have a lot of exercise expenses, you should consider setting up a home gym. Increasing your awareness of your energy consumption can also be really beneficial. Prior to purchasing new products, try to recycle and repurpose as much as you can. Make use of non-conventional energy sources to light and heat your home in addition. Downsizing on a huge scale can result in hundreds or even thousands of dollars in more funds to put towards your savings objectives while still maintaining a high standard of life. Reduce your interest burden. Another effective method of lowering your expenses and increasing the amount of money available for savings is to reduce your interest load. There are many people who want everything: a home, a car, a garage, a home theater system, a dishwasher, and a double-door refrigerator. It is possible to accomplish this with a few simple keystrokes on the internet. However, it has been discovered that quick gratification frequently comes with a high cost that might take years to repay and even years off your lifespan, college or graduate school, before you begin living a more luxurious lifestyle. Others may want to take a look at all of their debts and determine how long it will take them to pay them off completely. To lower your debt burden, you can sell part of your savings or fixed deposits if you have any available. If you receive a bonus or a dividend, consider using the money to pay down debts and lower your interest load. If you have credit card debt, you should speak with your credit card company and try to negotiate a reduced interest rate if at all feasible. If you are considering taking out a new loan, possibly for an investment, make certain that the return on your investment outweighs your interest payments. You may also be able to take advantage of margin accounts, which allow you to invest more while earning better profits. Invest in savvy vehicles and products. When you've identified a few additional ways to save money and made a promise to yourself regarding how much you intend to save, you'll want to make certain that those funds are invested as efficiently as possible. Working with a financial professional or going deeper into information that can assist you in doing your own investment can both be beneficial decisions. Save on taxes. Tax shelters are one of the first places that many huge investors seek for opportunities. These can be found right beneath your nose through the perk offers provided by your company. Benefit plans feature a wide range of alternatives, with the vast majority of them providing tax benefits. Appropriately manage your risks. Risk will play a role in your journey to $50,000, just as it will in any other investment. Bigger risk investments should provide higher profits, but the risk-reward ratio might be important as well. Penny stocks, initial public offerings or IPOs, and hot industries such as technology, which are on the rise, can yield significant returns in a short period of time. On the other hand, high-grade corporate bonds have the potential to generate consistent and substantial returns. Create short-term saving goals. Unavoidably, the road to 500,000 miles is longer than the one to 50,000 miles. This might be daunting at times, which is why setting short-term goals can be quite beneficial. Imagine yourself in a new country home after you retire, but that distant vision may not be enough to motivate you to get things done today. Break down your long-term saving goals into smaller, more manageable chunks to keep yourself motivated. For example, a guy who owned a dry cleaning business chose to set aside a tiny amount of change every day and put it into his daughter's college savings account instead. When she was 5 years old, he began working with her and continued until she was 18. He found that setting aside a small amount of change had no negative impact on his business or day-to-day life, but it did result in his having a substantial sum of money saved by the time his daughter was ready to attend college. Generate additional income. Other important components of your personal budget include incoming revenue and expenses. Finding ways to produce additional revenue can also assist you in reaching your $50,000 objectives in a shorter period of time. Do you sew? Do other crafts? Or give classes in another way? These are some of the pastimes that can help you earn some extra income. You may tutor children for a few hours a week, or you could sell your crafts at a local market on the weekends. You could also look for freelancing tasks or odd jobs around the house. Please don't allow any of your abilities or skills to go to waste. Your leisure time might be really beneficial as well. These things can assist you in earning additional funds that you can use to help reach your $50,000 target. There are several factors to consider before approaching $50,000. Consider your time period, investing possibilities, and the risks you're willing to face for your rewards. Looking at your monthly budget or making one will help you get back on track. Discipline in thought and plan will be crucial. A customized plan will total up the dollars and cents, and that means you can get to the next $50K faster and maybe even achieve $1 million in 6 years. So, what did you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to hear from us again, be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button before you go. As always, thanks for watching.